Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For my support, please like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to activate the bell to receive all new. Today we're going to make one delicious dessert, two at once, Oreo cheesecake and Lotus cheesecake. How? Stay with me to let you know how to save time by making two of the tastiest sweets for happy occasions, Oreo and Lotus cups. The cream ingredients is 500 ml of liquid cream, 250 grams of liquid cheese, 5 tablespoons of vanilla pudding. Mix well until we get a cohesive cream. When we're done, we put it aside. We need 150 grams of Oreo cookies. Crush the Oreo cookie, but keep the mashed pieces large. I don't want the chunks like powder. Then put half the amount of cream over the Oreo and stir well. We need 100 grams of dark chocolate cut into small pieces and 60 ml of hot liquid cream. Pour it over the chocolate and stir until the chocolate melts. Now for the garnish, we divide some of the Oreo biscuits in half. These are the cups in which we will put the Oreo mixture in this way, slowly. Here I will show you this way to prepare cups with spoons for those who do not have tools, such as a pastry bag or a liquid cream package. Now we will prepare the lotus cream. Bring half the remaining amount of cream, add 2 tablespoons of lotus butter to it and mix well until we get this cream. For decoration, we crush some lotus biscuits. Now we want to melt some lotus butter to put it on top of the cream. Bring hot water, put 2 tablespoons of lotus butter in a bowl, stir and continue stirring until completely melted and we get the melted lotus butter. I poured melted butter inside this package. Now we pour the cream into a sweet bag. Here I brought a cup different from the Oreo cup for the lotus, but here the way to prepare cups will be easier and faster. We put some mashed biscuits, top it with cream, then melted butter and some biscuits to decorate. This is the ultimate look of our Oreo and Lotus cups. Note: the quantity is enough for 12 cups of Lotus and 12 cups of Oreo. Today we made Oreo and Lotus cups for the happiest and most beautiful occasions. Enjoy your meal. Thanks for watching my video.